In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect your Shopify store. This is really useful if you're still setting things up, testing new themes, or running a private launch, and you don't want the public to see your store just yet. By the end of this tutorial, your store will be hidden behind a password page, and only people with that password will be able to access it. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify account. From there, head to your Shopify dashboard. This is your main admin area where you can see your orders, products, customers, and all of your settings. We're going to work from here to control who can access the storefront. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, look for the menu and find the option called Online Store. Go ahead and click that. This section controls everything related to how your store looks and how it appears to visitors, including themes, navigation, and of course, your store's visibility. Once you're in the Online Store area, look towards the top or along that same left menu for an option called Preferences. Click on Preferences. This is where Shopify keeps a lot of important settings such as your homepage title and meta description, Google Analytics, and the section we're interested in today, which is Store Access. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Password Protection or Store Access. Here you'll see a toggle that lets you turn password protection on or off. To protect your store, click on the toggle to turn password protection on. When it's enabled, Shopify will only allow visitors to see the storefront if they enter the password you set. You'll usually see a field where you can create or edit the password, and sometimes a message field where you can add a note for visitors. This might be something like, "We're coming soon," or "This store is currently under construction." Choose a password that's easy for you to remember, but not too obvious, and avoid using anything sensitive or related to your personal accounts. Once you've turned on the toggle and set your password and optional message, the most important part is to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually at the top or bottom right of the page, and click Save. Give it a moment and your settings will be applied. Now your Shopify store is officially password protected, and only people who have the